Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. So if you want to turn off these YouTube Shorts, all you need to do is just open your YouTube app, and then if you scroll down, you'll find all the YouTube Shorts right here. So all you need to do is tap on the three dots at the top right of these YouTube Shorts. So for example, I need to tap these three dots right here, and then you will find an option right here. So you can choose this one if you want to report, not interested, or send feedback. So this one, I just want to tap this not interested. So you just keep repeating until it was gone. So tap these three dots, tap not interested, another one right here. So tap three dots and tap interested. So as you can see, all the shorts are gone. So if we refresh this app right here, there is no YouTube Shorts on your homepage, as you can see right here. So if you want to try to close this YouTube app, then reopen this one. And then if you scroll down, as you go right here, all the shorts are now disabled or turned off. So that's it. That's how you basically disable YouTube Shorts. So thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.